Kaspa is going to reach $10. Well, actually, no. Kaspa is going to be reaching $16. Kaspa is going to be reaching $17. I'm sure you guys have watched all those kinds of videos. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how realistic are those price targets. So make sure you guys watch the entire video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be discussing about Kaspa once again. I'm going to be going over some of my price predictions, and I'm also going to be revealing some harsh truths about the project, because right now we see a lot of information which is completely misleading people into thinking the potential of this project. Now don't get me wrong, I'm a huge supporter of Kaspa. I have invested some of my money to the project, but I'm not going to be saying the project will be reaching $1 trillion in market cap in the upcoming bull market rally. Now if you guys don't believe me, well, just search Kaspa on YouTube and you will be able to see that the videos saying that Kaspa is going to be going to $16, Kaspa is going to be going to $10 are the ones which have the most views. So basically people just want to know how the project like Kaspa can reach $10, because I don't practically think it's reasonable enough and it's going to be really easy to reach that kind of price levels. Anyways, with that being said, now let's jump back to the video. So guys, first of all, we have the charts for Kaspa. As you can see right now, we are facing some important resistance levels because we are not able to break through this recent all-time high. We are dipping as of right now. We have found some support right over at this level. I believe we're going to be trading sideways for a couple of days and or even a couple of weeks, and after that we should be wishing for a rally towards the upside. Now if we check out the volume, you can see the volume is not looking too good, but it's not too bad as well. We are getting some decent and consistent volume on Kaspa. So overall, no sorts of crazy movement and anything difficult to mention out here as well. If we check out the MACD and the RSI, you can see that they are both flipping for a bearish crossover, which should be resulting a move towards the downside. Now guys, the next support levels which I personally have for Kaspa is going to be this level right over here at a price of about 11 cents. Now I don't practically think the move is going to be going towards the downside. I do hope that the price of the project is going to be bumping in this phase. It's going to be consolidating, so we might see 5% bumps and we might see 5% dumps as well. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. Anyways, now if we check out the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, you will be able to see every single project out here has been going down in the last couple of days, or say in the last week or so. Bitcoin is down by roughly 5%, Ethereum is down by 6%, and if we move on to the altcoins, you will be able to see that they are down by even a lot more. In terms of Kaspa, if we check out, you can see we are already down by roughly 12% in just this week. So those who invested just a week ago, I believe your money is down by roughly 12%, which is not a good sign. But you're not investing into Kaspa for just like 1 or 2 days, you're investing into the project for higher amounts of times. Now, another thing which I want to cover is going to be the fear and greed index, and for the longest time this was in the green zone, which practically shows you that right now everyone is basically trying to get their money into various crypto projects out there, trying to get as much money as possibly into the crypto scene. But right now, as the fear index is increasing day by day, we are seeing a lot of people cashing out. We are seeing a lot of paper hands just selling out of their crypto just after making 10 to 20% profit, or even losses in some cases. But guys, this is how the crypto markets move in general as well. We never oftentimes see complete dominance of a certain project. Now if we check out the crypto fear and greed market index, you can see this is practically the lowest which we have ever been ever since 2023. So things are looking pretty good, to be completely honest, because for the longest time it was in the extremely greed situation, but right now we are in that neutral to fear space, which is going to be really helpful for a lot of newer investors out there who want to get in a lot of gains in the shortest amount of time. Now guys, as for the price targets are concerned, because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube saying that Kaspa is going to be reaching $16, Kaspa is going to be reaching $15, or Kaspa is going to be reaching $20. I mean, I saw one video saying that they have changed their price prediction from $2 prediction to a $10 prediction. Well guys, let me tell you what happens if the price of the project like Kaspa jumps to $10, and then I'm going to be shifting to the most recent price prediction out there, which is saying that Kaspa is going to be reaching $15 or $16. So right now Kaspa has a market cap of roughly $4 billion. One Kaspa is worth approximately 16 cents. Now guys, for the sake of the video right over here, I have mentioned, okay, let me just change it from 10,000 coins to about $10,000. I think that is going to be a more appropriate scenario in order to check out how much our projects can be worth. So right now $10,000 into the project like Kaspa, and let's see what happens if the price reaches to $10. Well, just like that, as you can see, if the price reaches $10, then Kaspa would need a market cap of roughly $245 billion. Now let me show you the cryptocurrency market index. Right over here you can see that the only project above $245 billion right now is going to be Ethereum. Now Ethereum is not a project which is just 1 or 2 years old. Ethereum is it has been going on for the longest time, just like Bitcoin. It is one of the high caps, and if you guys believe that the newer project like Kaspa can reach the heights of Ethereum in the shortest amount of time, I believe you are quite mistaken, because these sort of movements don't really happen in just 1 or 2 years. They practically take time. Now it's easy for a project to jump from $1 million in market cap to $1 billion in terms of market cap. I mean, that is practically 1000x, but it's not practically the same principle, and it's not practically easier to shift from $1 billion in market cap to $100 billion in market cap. It does not quite frankly work like that. A lot of people will tell you that no, this is going to be the way it's going to be working, but this is not how things oftentimes move in crypto markets in general, because money is limited, and you can't be saying that Bitcoin right now still can do a 20x or about a 50x in terms of market cap. I mean, if you practically believe that, you guys are potentially mistaken. You will never be able to make any sort of profits with crypto, because you are not going to be selling even at the highest points, and you're not going to be buying at the lowest points. So I hope I made some sense back there, but I personally believe that $245 billion in terms of market cap for Kaspa is not possible in the shorter run. However guys, in the longer run, no one really knows. Down the road, 10 years down the line, if Kaspa still stays relevant, I believe $245 billion in terms of market cap can be possible, and it's a good target to have in your mind. Just to get into perspective, your $10,000 investment in 10 years down the line would have turned into about $600,000, which is a huge part of money wherever you guys live in. I mean, why not, if you think that gas was going to be reaching $10, why not invest, instead of $10,000, just invest $100,000. Then you're gonna be wealthy, and in the next 10 years, you're gonna be making practically $6 million. Even if you get your $100,000 investment out of it. So this is personally the first price scenario which a lot of people are saying can happen. But let me show you the price prediction which a lot of people practically believe is the safest best out here, and they believe it because there have been a lot of rumors around Kaspa that the project is going to be listing on Coinbase. So Coinbase is a huge company, but can it take a project from $4 billion in market cap all the way to $245 billion? Well, I don't practically think so. Now, for you to say that the price of the project can reach $16, which if you find on YouTube, you're going to be finding an exact video saying that as well. So in order to reach $16, Kaspa would need a market cap of roughly $393 billion. Just to get into perspective, if we open the cryptocurrency market charts right now, as you can see that it's going to be roughly 50% higher, or say about 30% higher than the market cap of Ethereum right now. Now, do you believe Kaspa, a new project like Kaspa, which is struggling even right now, and I mean, all the projects are struggling. I'm not saying Kaspa is the only one struggling, but a new project like Kaspa can overcome Ethereum? I mean, Ethereum is a strong project, and if you guys underestimate Ethereum, I mean, they have got all the money. How much money does Kaspa have right now? $4 billion, a good community, and that is going to be all. But what does Ethereum has? It has a lot of money, it has a lot of reputation. If you ask about crypto from any other guy out here, there are going to be only two names out here, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the only two cryptocurrencies which people know. So Ethereum has that sort of status in the crypto space and in the overall entirety of the investment space as well. So Ethereum is not going to be an easy project to jump out of. And for you and for any other person making videos out there saying $16 is a realistic price target, I mean, it is practically not. And I don't know how to explain this, but this is just not possible. 10 years down the line it is possible, yes, I'm going to be saying that. But people are claiming that $16 or $15 or even $10 is going to be possible in the next bull market rally, which is only in like in the next 2 or 3 years. So I don't practically believe in that vision. I think that is completely misleading the people out there into unrealistic price points. Just to get into perspective, if this scenario happens, $10,000 is going to be worth roughly $1 million. And just add a couple of more zeros. I mean, why not invest $1 million, and you can potentially be worth about $100 million in about 2 to 3 years, according to the so-called financial experts out here. And later down the line, I mean, if my scenario happens in the next 10 years, you guys are going to be worth roughly about $100 million, and you are practically free to do anything with your life. Yeah, set up everything perfectly. You don't need to be watching YouTube videos, you don't need to be doing any sort of trading, you don't need to be doing any sort of education. You can just completely relax. And that is how the people like to tell you the things are going to be going. By the way, guys, if you want to make massive amounts of money by trading crypto, make sure you guys join the Crypto Cartel. Crypto Cartel is my personal private community where I teach you all how you can make money. I teach you all when you guys should be buying into a project and when you guys should be selling out of a project, which can help you generate a lot of profit in a short amount of time. Here are some results from some of our latest trades. Right now, the price to join my Crypto Cartel is going to be $30. I'm going to be increasing it soon, so make sure you guys on the lookout and make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to the Crypto Cartel will be down in the description. As always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.